Hello my friends. Today I'm gonna teach you how to connect two outlet sockets from a single line. We bring this outlet and put it here and click it like this until it's fixed. Then we will connect the line in. We will make it like this at first. Just take care because there is electricity in it. We will strip this part from the wire and we'll put it in one of the outlet sockets, and the screw is like this, and the other one also, the neutral one, will go to the other side of the socket. Try when you are working, don't make the two balls touch each other. Like this. Then we will take the other side from the wire to put it in the other socket like this. And the same for the line. We'll bring the end of the wire and connect it to the socket, the other side of the socket like this, and hold the screw like this. Make sure that there's nothing loose. And now we connected two outlet sockets from a single line. Let's see if it's working or not. We will check this adapter. Yes, it's working good. And the other one too. Yes, it's working good. Then we will cover the case again. Try when you are using the wires to handle this with an isolated tool like this. Then we will cover it with the screws.